Hello, Algebra 1. It's Mrs. Deasing again. We're on Lesson 2 of Compound Inequalities. Now we're going to deal with an OR statement. With an AND statement, the number line was together. With an OR, it's going to be two broken parts, two parts on the number line. You'll see. Okay, we're going to start with m minus 2 is less than negative 8. I'm going to add 2 to both sides. So we get m is less than negative 6. We're going to do the other part. We get m divided by 8 is greater than 1. Get rid of division. We're going to multiply both sides by 8. So we're going to get m is greater than 8. So those are our two parts of our compound inequality. So we're going to start with an open circle at negative 6 right there. And m has to be less than negative 6. So we're going to shade to the left. And our second statement says m has to be greater than 8. So again, we're going to have an open circle because it doesn't have a bar, and we're going to shade to the right. So that's a compound inequality with OR. It's going to be broken like that. Let's try another one. So here we go. Here's our first one. 7v minus 5 is greater than or equal to 65. I'm going to add 5 to both sides. We get 7v is greater than or equal to 70. Divide each side by 7. We get v is greater than or equal to 10. Let's try the second one. We get negative 3b minus 2 is greater than or equal to negative 2. We're going to add 2 to both sides. It's going to give us negative 3b is greater than or equal to 0. We're going to divide each side by negative 3. You know, when you divide by a negative, you've got to flip the sign, so we're going to make that a less than or equal to. And 0 divided by anything is always 0. So there's our two parts. We'll start with the first one. So because it's greater than or equal to, we're going to make that a closed circle. And it's greater than or equal to 10, so we're going to shade to the right. And then part 2, v is less than or equal to 0. So this time again, we're going to have a closed circle on 0, and it's less than, so we're going to shade to the left. So that's your compound inequality with OR. It's going to be a broken number line. Please go to Schoology, try the U-Tries. If you're feeling good about that, move on to the review for the week. If you have any questions, email me. Thank you.